I stand before you to share my accomplishments as the 7th President of the United States of America. Firstly, I take great pride in preserving the Union and championing the concept of federal supremacy. Through my resolute actions during the Nullification Crisis, I reaffirmed the strength and authority of the federal government, ensuring the unity and stability of our young nation. Secondly, I fought tirelessly for the common man and advocated for the expansion of democracy. By vetoing the reauthorization of the Second Bank of the United States, I aimed to dismantle its perceived privileges and empower the working class, paving the way for economic opportunities for all. Thirdly, I successfully negotiated the Indian Removal Act with the aim of relocating Native American tribes to lands west of the Mississippi River. While controversial, this policy sought to protect both Native American tribes and American settlers, defining the path for westward expansion. Fourthly, I championed the spoils system, revolutionizing the practice of political appointments. By rotating public officials, I aimed to prevent corruption and ensure accountability, giving ordinary citizens a chance to serve their country. Lastly, I celebrate the historic victory at the Battle of New Orleans during the War of 1812. This decisive triumph showcased the strength and resilience of our American forces, bolstering our national pride and securing our position as a formidable global power. As I reflect upon my presidency, I am grateful for the unwavering support of the American people. Together, we weathered challenges, advanced the cause of democracy, and shaped our nation's destiny. Let us remember the principles of unity, progress, and opportunity that continue to guide us as Americans. May we honor the legacy of those who came before us and work tirelessly to build a brighter future for all.